which is the GVO. The first thing is of course everybody has a $1 2-week trial. After the 2 weeks, they are forced continuity to the $44.95 per month, which gives you all the tools, okay? The unlimited domain hosting, the easy video producer, the 10-seat conference room, the prospecting system, the downtime witness, and many other tools, okay? Now, what you're going to get if those people auto-submit or do not cancel is 50%. That's your quick start bonus. You're going to get 50%, which is $22.47 for that first month, okay? That's the quick start bonus that you're going to get. The second month after that, and the quick start bonus is month after month after month for new people that you bring into the organization. I.e., if this person came in August, okay, in September, you're going to get the regular matrix commissions, which I'm going to talk about in just a second. So that's the first part, is the quick start bonus, 50% of $44.95, which is approximately $22.47, okay, thereabouts. Once they start falling into the matrix, it's a 2x10 force matrix, okay, which just means like this. Okay, you can only have 2 people on your first level. Okay, it's a 20% on level 1, 5% from levels 2 to levels 10. Okay, all the way down to level 10 here, and it's a 20% matching check on all your direct referrals. Okay, which means if you referred this person right here, you're going to get 5% for the level. You're also going to make 20% of what they made. So if they have a very large downline, you're going to get a 20%, and they made $1,000, you're going to get 20% of that, okay? Which is roughly 200 bucks, okay? You're going to get a $200 in addition to your own commissions, okay? So it's a matching check bonus on to infinity. You might have somebody way down here on level 10 that you referred. If they start building a large business, you'll make 20% of what they make as well. Okay? Make sense to everybody? Yeah? Okay? Then the last thing is the bonus pool. Oh, one thing I want to talk about. It's a 2x10 force matrix, but it's a hybrid. For every 14 people that are in your downline, you earn an additional position. You have a bank position that you can use. Why do we do that? Because it incentivizes people to continue to build their organization. Now, they do not have to be 14 direct referrals. They have to be 14 titanium members in your downline. You earn a position. Okay? So if you had 28, you have another banked position. If you have, multiples of 3, 30, no, not 36. Anyway, it goes on every 14 people, you earn a new bank position in your matrix. Now, this is why it's a hybrid of 2x10. You have the choice to place that new position anywhere you want, even on your first level if you choose to do so. Okay? Why? We want to give the people that are really pushing the business hard the flexibility and the choice of where they want to build their business further. Okay? Why is that? Well, let's say this person up here is working really hard, and this person who's earned a new bank position wants to place that position as close as possible to that individual to help them build their business further. But they have the choice. They can also place any of those bank positions anywhere that they want to in their matrix. Why would you want to do that? Let's say you've got some people down here on level 9, and you're talking to another person who's excellent in the network marketing arena, okay? And you're trying to incentivize those people to join. Let's say this person's name is Lisa. And Lisa says back to you, well, and let's use me as an example, well, Joel, if I join in your downline, what's in it for me? What are you going to do to help me build my business? Well, Lisa, if you join right here, I will take one of my banked positions, and I will place that bank positions directly below you. I can even take 2 of them if you want me to, because I have 2 of them left. I'll place it here, and then I'll continue to build my organization underneath you, which means anybody that you bring in and anybody that I bring in will build your business and also continue to build my business further. It's what creates win-win scenarios in the network marketing industry, okay? So that's why we give the flexibility, and that's why it's a binary hybrid. The machine or the computer will run in a 2x10 force matrix, but as you have 14, and this is continuous. You can have 400 people in your downline, you're going to have approximately 80 bank positions that you can use. Okay? So that's how the binary hybrid matrix works, or the 2x10 force matrix with a hybrid. The hybrid means it can change slightly. And it changes slightly because we give the flexibility of the bigwigs, or if you're probably one of them. If you have 14 people in your downline, you get a bank position, you get to do whatever you want with that position. So last thing, guys, sorry, just had to pause there for a sec, is the bonus pool. Okay? 10% of our net, not gross, because there's cost to running any company, of our net profits is shared with the top 20 for that month, okay? Top 20 recruiters for that month. So if we have, let's say, just $50,000 net, okay, that $50,000 is going to be shared amongst the top 20 people, and it's recursive. What I mean by that is the top one individual may have brought in 400 people. Well, he's going to get a certain percentage of that $50,000 based on the 400 people. Second earner might have only got 100. Well, it's not going to be split evenly. It's going to be split based on the amount of people he brought in. Okay? So a lot of people were asking, well, is the top 20, is it split evenly amongst them all? No, that would not be fair. It's split based on the amount of referrals they brought into the organization. The other question was, well, is this dependent upon how many people you have in your downline? No. You could have one person in your downline, but if you bring in 40 people, and this is just speculative numbers, and you're in the top 20, you're going to share in that 10% bonus pool. So it's irrespective of how many people you already have in your downline now. It's respective on the calendar month of how many people you bring into the organization. So that's how the bonus pool works. Okay? So I hope there's... Oh, that said, if there's any other questions, post them on the blog.